Sunshine Soap, guys. I'm so glad to have you up in the studio today. Guess what we're going to be doing? Oh my God, I'm not even going to tell you, but I'm going to tell you about this first. So during the week, I do coaching sessions with candle makers just like you. You could be in the beginning stages, you could be advanced, or maybe you're just confused and you're like, I don't know if I want to get into this thing. Let me just talk to somebody that know a little bit about it to make sure this is something that I want to do. I am the person that you want to talk to. Yeah, so listen, this is what we talk about. We talk about Wiccan, we talk about branding, we talk about trademarking, we talk about, we go over vessels, wax, I mean, you name it, labels, we do it all, okay? So go ahead in the description box and book your session for next week, or, you know, maybe you want to see my face tomorrow. Whenever you want to see me, guess what? You have access to me as long as my schedule is able to do that, okay? Now, this is what we're getting ready to do. So guys, I do be in the comments. Don't look at it like I'm one of them YouTubers that just make a video and don't comment back. Some videos I don't get a chance to comment back because I'll miss the comments. I won't get an alert to my phone, but it'd be like I go and check and then I'm like, oh, it's a comment, let me go and do it. And so I see you guys putting in the comments, how do we do the whipped frosting? How do we do the whipped frosting? Guess what? This little short video is going to tell you guys how to make whipped frosting. Yeah! Oh my God, I'm so excited! Oh my God! Yes, y'all, listen. This is really quick. Okay, so what I did was, guys, I just basically just made my wax. I put my fragrance oil inside the wax. And I just left the wax sitting maybe for about, it's been sitting here for about a good almost hour and some change. Like, I just left it sitting. I went to Walmart, girls. Listen, if you go to Walmart, you already know I grabbed the cart. And okay, so yeah, that's what we do when we go to Walmart. So I went to Walmart and I came back and now I'm just mixing it around. Guys, let me go ahead and show you what it looks like right now. I want you guys to get a good look at it because I have to show you guys. Okay, so this is what it looked like right now. It kind of looked like mashed potatoes. I just left it sitting. I have not done anything to it. All I did was just take this little whisk and I stirred it around. So now it kind of looks like mashed potatoes. So if you are making your whipped wax, this is exactly what it's going to look like mashed potatoes. It's just going to sit there like that. So it's still watery. So the person that's making whipped wax, they will look at this and be like, is it done? Is it done? No, it's not. It needs to be creamy. This actually looks like the phase of applesauce and it does not look good. So, you know, take it and what you're doing, because on the sides you still got a lot of it like caked up on the sides of your bowl. So just kind of take it and bring it off the sides, because the more you get all of that stuff that's just sitting on the side, the better, the more thicker, because you need it to be like cream, like buttercream. You know how we make buttercream icing? You need it to look like buttercream icing, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some gloves on, because we're going to speed this process up just a little bit. If you have a hand mixer, guys, take this hand mixer and take this opportunity out to put the hand mixer inside of the bowl. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Put this hand mixer inside the bowl and just go around in circles. So this will help it get thickened up a little bit quicker. And as you can see, when you're doing this, it is thickening up a little bit more. So it's going from the applesauce phase to the creamy buttercream icing phase, just like that. Okay, just like that. So just keep going around, and then when you come to this place right here, you realize, like, okay, so I'm mixing, and nothing is changing. You just go ahead and turn up your mixer a little bit more. Keep going around, because now it's at the point where it's really turning into buttercream icing. Okay? Okay, so now it's getting nice and thick. You can see, now you can kind of see that it went from that applesauce phase and it's going into the creamy phase even more. Like it's really thickening up. So you take your spatula, kind of go around the sides of the bowl and start pushing all of this into the middle. Of course, you know, you just get it off the sides of the bowl and just, you know, kind of clean it up. Push it down. Okay, and now you can go back and mix again. Okay, so that's where we are in this little process. So what you want to do is you still see that it's still like, you see that? It should not do that. It should still, you know, it should not fall off your spoon. It should stick to your spoon. It should be so thick that it just stick to your spoon and you have to literally get it off. So if you're doing this and it's still falling, then it's not ready to be piped. So what we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to leave it alone for a little bit. Let's leave it alone for another 30 minutes. And if it's 464, because that's what I'm using right now, 464 Golden Brands. What is it? Golden wax 464. If it's that, this is exactly what it's going to do. So go ahead and just leave it for a few more minutes, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so basically, if you can look at this, you can see that it has thickened up. It's not falling as quick as it was before. Like you see, it take time. Before it was so watery that it would just fall right down. So it has gotten a little better, as you can see. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to whip it a little bit more with the mixer. We're going to mess with it just a little bit more. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Yeah. Alright, so take your mixer. Let's go in one more time. Maybe not the last time. I ain't gonna say one more. It may not be the last time. Go in there again. And it's really turning into buttercream. It is ready for takeoff. I usually like mine's a little bit more thick. Let me see. After I finish, then I'll let you know if it's ready for takeoff, okay? Okay. Alright. That's it. This is it. This is how you want it to look. This is exactly how you want it to look. It looks like buttercream icing, guys. Beautiful. This is exactly how you want it to look. Can you guys see it? I want to make sure you can see it because the lighting could be really, really strong sometimes. And, okay, you see it? Yeah. Okay, you can. Alright. Making sure. So, this is how it should look. It should be thick like this. And when it drop, it shouldn't drop like water. It should drop like a... You see how it's not dropping right away off the spatula? It's sitting there. That's how it's supposed to be. Like, you could do all of this and it don't move off of here. So, that's when you know it's ready. Now, if it just fall off of there like water, then it's different. Like, now I got to shake it off. So, it's ready. So, this is how you make whipped wax, guys. Don't ask me no more, okay? Don't get up under no videos asking me that question no more. Now you got a video. I done took my time out. I done helped you. I done did what I needed to do for you. Now just love on me, love on me, love on me, okay? Love on me, okay? All right? Because I love you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. You do not want to miss the holiday things that we're about to do on the channel. Guys, there's a lot of free content. You're not paying for none of this. I'm here to do this because I love you. Like I said, I love you. I really love you. All right. Have a good one. All right.